the hell? What is going on outside my house? Man. Excuse me, mate. Hey, man. What is going on, man?
Yeah, I'm really sorry, sir. I was just praying my salah.
So, what?
And I got this job very recently, so I don't want to miss my prayer. I usually pray 5 times a day. So I was just praying. I was just using this little space for my prayer.
You doing what, man? You doing your prayers?
Yeah, I was doing my prayer, sir.
Wow. Okay, but like why? Okay, but like why? Yeah, but like why are we doing your prayers now?
Because as Muslims, we have got 5 times a day, sir.
5 times?
Yeah, 5 times a day. Yeah, I usually try to pray 5 times a day. Yeah,
okay, so
and this is my first job actually, so I don't want to miss my prayer.
Oh, so like,
I was just using this corner space to pray. I haven't used any other space. I'm so sorry.
It's fine, but like, why do you pray?
I'm a Muslim, sir.
Okay, man, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
As I said, I wasn't using any other space. I was just using this corner.
I apologize, man. Obviously, man, you came to the house, you delivered me the food. I was a bit confused, like, wow, you outside doing that? So obviously, man, that's obviously me, man. I believe in God, but yeah, I was a bit confused, man.
Oh, that's very kind, sir.
Yeah, you could have just asked. You could have just asked.
Yeah.
You send me a prayer. You can come inside. You can come inside and pray. You can come inside and pray if you want.
No. That's okay, sir. That's okay. I've already done with my prayer. My next prayer is only after 2 hours. I finished my prayer.
You asked me because I would have said, you know what? Come inside. You pray inside.
No. That's okay, sir. That's okay. I've done my prayer. Thank you so much. That's very kind.
You finished?
Yeah, I'm done with my prayer.
Oh, you're hungry?
No. Thank you for asking. No, that's very kind. No, I'm good. I'm good.
Boy some food, Susan. Hey, Susan, you get this boy.
No, that's fine. That's fine. No, I'm not hungry. That's very kind of you to say that.
It's all right, mama. Yeah, right. It's all right, woman. He ain't hungry. He's just praying outside. Yeah, man. You let the boy pray. Yeah, man. I saw.
Yeah, I was just praying. Yeah.
Obviously, man. My wife Susan. He was like, oh no, the delivery boys outside. So then I go.
No, I wasn't doing anything else. As I said, I was just using this corner.
No, it's all right, man. You can pray as long as you want, man. Yeah. There's a holy house. We're nice people. We're just curious. Because obviously, I don't know.
Yeah.
You understand? Man, if you're hungry, you can have some food of us. If you want to finish up your prayer,
I'm good. Thank you for asking. I'm good. I'm not hungry. Thank you so much.
Hungry?
Yeah.
So what? You finished your
prayer?
prayer?
No, I'm not hungry.
You
finished my prayer. Yeah.
Finish the prayer? You finished?
No, that's fine. Thank you for inviting, but that's okay. I'm done with my prayer.
All right, man. Yeah, man. God bless you, man.